Welcome back everyone to the channel where hidden history meets unbelievable value. And today's video is going to shock every coin lover and collector around the world because we are talking about the United Kingdom. One penny, 1935, a circulated condition coin that many people ignore, but serious collectors know carries massive demand and auction power. This is the kind of coin that can change collections overnight and can surprise families when found in old boxes or drawers. So stay with me till the end, because the story and value of this coin is absolutely mind-blowing. The United Kingdom, one penny, 1935, was issued during the reign of King George V, a powerful era in British history when the empire was still strong and coins were made with pride, quality and deep symbolism. This penny was struck just 1 year before the major design changes of British bronze coinage, which makes it a key historical issue. It circulated during a time of global tension, economic shifts and strong national identity. Every 1935 penny carries the story of pre-war Britain and everyday life of that era, which is why collectors across the world consider it a true historical treasure. What makes the 1935 one penny stand out is its classic and iconic design. The obverse shows the strong portrait of King George V, symbolizing authority and stability, while the reverse features Britannia seated with shield and trident, a design loved globally and instantly recognized the bronze composition. Rich color and sharp details, even in circulated condition, give this coin a powerful presence. Many examples show beautiful natural toning and honest wear that collectors admire because it proves real circulation and authenticity, which increases emotional and historical value. Although the 1935 one penny was produced in reasonable numbers, finding one today in solid circulated condition with clear date-readable legends and strong design elements is becoming harder every year. Collectors prefer circulated examples because they represent true history. Coins with natural wear are in extremely high demand, especially when not cleaned or damaged. Demand is driven by British collectors, international investors, and historical coin lovers, which keeps this coin in constant spotlight, and competition is very strong whenever a quality piece appears. Now let us talk about the part everyone is waiting for. The market value today. Auction results and private sales show that the United Kingdom one penny, 1935, has reached incredible levels, especially when linked with rare varieties, exceptional surfaces or strong eye appeal. Circulated examples are actively chased and premium pieces have shocked the market with prices reaching $750,000. And in exceptional rare situations connected to special provenance or error features, values have climbed dramatically, making headlines and sparking global interest. This coin is now considered a high-demand asset, and serious collectors are willing to pay aggressive prices to secure one. If you own a 1935 one penny, never clean it, never polish it, and always store it safely in a proper holder. Look closely for sharp details, natural color, and any unusual characteristics. Authentication and grading can unlock even higher market confidence and value. Always follow auction trends and trusted dealers because demand for this coin continues to rise every year. Patience and knowledge are key, and those who hold quality examples are holding powerful collectibles. This United Kingdom one penny, 1935, is not just a coin, it is a symbol of history, prestige and growing financial interest, and the demand keeps rising as collectors race to secure their place in history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Britain's most exciting pennies, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with fellow collectors. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next rare coin discovery video.